Good morning. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This morning I am going to fix just a plain bacon and egg sandwich. It's amazing to me what people will ask me, can I fix something simple? So I'm going to show you how. All you need, and this is quick, easy, nothing to it. Get you some paper towels, put on a paper plate, take you some bacon, ever how many pieces you use. If you're going to use more than 3, I would say I would cook it separate. Like cook 3, then cook 3 more. But I'll just show you right quick what we're going to do with 3 of them. You're just going to put 3 pieces in here. I'm going to cover it up with some more paper towels because it has a tendency to pop all over everything. Cover it like this. And we're just going to open a new pack of bacon. He would always fold it over and clip it. And he always had the habit of putting it in a Ziploc bag. And then that way it stays fresh for quite a while, really. So we'll just get this done right quick. And while my bacon is cooking, I've got a bowl, just a regular paper bowl. We're going to take 2 eggs. I know people are saying, well, they're in such a hurry, they wish they had something quick to fix without always eating the same thing. So all you got to do, pour your little milk in there. Doesn't have to be much, just a little bit of milk. Beat it up real good. You can use a whisk, but I just happen to have this fork sitting right here, so that's ready. And I'm waiting on the bacon to get done out of the microwave, and just as soon as that gets done, I'll put the eggs in there. And it's up to you whether or not you want your toast toasted. Just the way beeped at me, told me the bacon was done. So let's just see. Now it just depends on how crispy you like your bacon. I happen to like it pretty crispy, and that looks real good. So we'll just set that aside. And I'll put my eggs that I have beat up in the microwave, and we'll cook them for a minute. I hope you subscribe to my channel. And this is so easy that you can have your bacon and egg sandwich no longer than 5 minutes. You just cook my egg for 1 minute in the microwave. Sure is puffy, isn't it? I'm going to get my bread, and we from the old school, so I like mayonnaise on my sandwich. So I'm going to get some mayonnaise. Put a little mayonnaise. And this egg, just take this egg and just take your fork and run around it. And it all comes out together. Now if you want to, you can actually stop halfway through your, like 30 seconds and stir your eggs up, and they won't be all together like that. But I happen to like mine, so that way it doesn't fall all out of the sandwich. Salt and pepper. Put your bacon on your sandwich. I really should have just cooked 2 pieces of bacon, because this sure is a lot of bacon, but hey, it's done. Put the top on it and cut it in 2. And it holds together, and you have a bacon and egg sandwich that is going to be very tasty. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I hope you subscribe to my channel and come back to see me real soon. And enjoy your breakfast this morning.